Get an almond croissant from Starbucks. My throat's full of icing sugar. Last night, Ken sent me a post on Facebook about a 30,000 mile Citroen 2CV dolly. I don't like the two-tone 2CVs per se. I don't know why this particular one spoke to me. He's in Wakefield, I'm in Newcastle. I've got to pick my daughter up from school at 3 o'clock. He hasn't replied to my message yet, but he did reply last night. And then I saw that he'd been active on Facebook this morning, so I messaged him at 7:30. And I was like, hi, no, it's early. No, you said you're not really up till 9:30. I want to come and buy that car. Yeah, he hasn't replied. So I'm driving to Wakefield on the hope that he replies. I'm really excited now. I've just spoken to the guy that owns the 2CV, and what an interesting, cool guy. Car sounds great, he sounds great. This is how you should buy a car. You should be feeling like this. You should be excited. I feel like I'm about to go out on a first date. It's incredible. Right, we're on our way to Wakefield. We're gonna buy a Citroen 2CV, and I am so happy. This week I've been trying to buy my dream car this week, a Citroen DS23, and the seller was just a complete idiot. So this 2CV is a breath of fresh air, and just this is how you should buy a car, like this. Happy, excited, making spur of the moment, irrational decisions. Yes, I want this car. I'm very excited. It has been a whirlwind of phone calls since I got back in the car. We've bought a Citroen 2CV. I am absolutely over the moon. This is the most excited about a car purchase I've been for ages. Went and saw the car and met the owner, and I immediately knew that I didn't need to do anything. Wandered up, started talking to the guy. I took one look at the car. We were chatting about old cars, and he went, do you want to talk about the 2CV then? He said, do you want to talk about the 2CV then? I went, no. How do you want me to pay? Job done. And then I said about coming back to get it, and he was like, well, I'll drive it up this afternoon if you want. I'll drive it up to Newcastle and I'll get the train back. That sounds like a good adventure. I was like, no, I want that adventure. So we're going back tomorrow morning, me and Ken, to pick up Vicky, the 2CV. Like, I'm so excited. Yes.
A few moments later.
My wife's watching it go.
Is she?
The first one I bought was for her, you know, in '78. It was her car. She's been as mad as me ever since.
You're not mad, you're great. Right, are you all good? Cheers, Kip. Wow. I'm back in a 2CV. What? Hang on, let's get that on before YouTube kicks off at me. I don't really know quite what I'm thinking with this one, but how could I not buy this 2CV off Kim? Oh. Right, so what can I tell you about Citroen 2CVs? I grew up in a 2CV. My dad had a 2CV. He used to take me absolutely everywhere in it. It was bright yellow, it was called Daffodil. I've got many, many happy memories as a child cruising around in a 2CV. And now I've got my own 2CV to go and chill out with my own children in. And Ken can take all the grandkids out and we can roll the roof back and life will all be good. And this is a bit of a weird emotional day for me because I've ended up buying what I didn't know was going to be quite an emotional purchase for me. Let's talk about Kim. Kim sold us this 2CV, and the buying experience was amazing. I turned up, I didn't look at the car, I just chatted with him and went, yeah mate, I want it. Didn't mess about, proper bloke, proper car, proper buyer. Kim has spent all of yesterday afternoon digging through paperwork, digging through brochures, manuals, price list. He's got us a Playmobil 2CV for my kids. He's given us a 2CV GB members book. And he also didn't tell me that this car has got full Citroen dealer history up until its last service to document the low mileage that this car has got. He also put a full tank of fuel in it as well. We've spent ages having a chat about the car and making sure that we're all good and happy. I love it. I absolutely love it. What have I done? I've just got out of a 400 horsepower Audi A6 into a bloody Citroen 2CV with a 150 mile drive home, and I couldn't be happier. What an idiot. I love it. So the 2CV is called Vicky. Vicky the 2CV. What more can I say? She's just bloody brilliant. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear any of this or not. Sweet as a nut. I think we'll pull into this Starbucks over here and we'll get Ken a coffee. Let's go get a coffee. Well, me and Vicky, the 2CV, have got a 150 mile drive up the A1. Let's go. Let's go 2CVing. I did bring my headphones with me as well, so when I get bored of this drive I can put my headphones on, because I am going to get bored of this drive. Infinite excitement. What have I done? Like, genuinely, I put all of my money into buying a Citroen 2CV. Well, not all of my money. I've got a large amount of money into buying a Citroen 2CV. Let's get those heaters on. Yep, heaters are on. Honestly though, I cannot tell you how nice it was to buy a car off Kim and just to deal with Kim. Like, what a genuine top-notch bloke. Right, where am I going? M62 East. Right, we're up to speed, windows down, because I am currently at full attack. And we are back on full attack again. So yeah, nice one, Vicky. This is already turning out to be a fantastic day. Through the desert on a horse with no name, it felt good to be out of the rain. Get it on, bang a gong, get it on. Come on, girl. You can do it. Let's go up north. None of this Midlands. We're going north. Fully north, up north. North, north, north. Might take you to Scotland next month. And just like that, we're home. That was a bit of a mission, I'm not gonna lie. Many questions were asked about 2CV ownership. However, I am over the moon, so let's show you Vicky. This is Vicky, the 2CV. What can I tell you about Vicky? Vicky is a 1988 2CV dolly. Vicky was parked up in a garage in Swansea in 1999. Still has the 99 tax disc in the window. And although the bodywork is tatty and speckled and rusty, that is how you want a 2CV. You do not want some super restored patent part crap. These cars are only original once. Bottoms of the doors are a little bit crusty, but meh, who cares? I love it. It's got so much patina. When you look in the boot, oh, look at the condition of it all. There will be 2CV owners envious right now. Yeah. So obviously, the first job is to wash all of this salt off of it, give her a hello bath, give it a clean inside out, and then go and pick my daughter up from school.